Use Pascal's triangle to expand the expression. So if I'm going to expand this, since it's binomial, I'm going to have little groups of 2. And I know since this is going to be third degree, there's going to be 4 terms here. Then I know that the first parentheses is going to have 2x in it. And I'm going to do that every time. And I know that this is going to have negative 3y in it. And I know it's going to be a polynomial, so I'm going to add each term. I also know that since this is 3, this is going to go 3, and then it's going to go down 1 degree each time. And this one's going to start at 0 and go up each degree each time. Then, now I need to deal with these leading coefficients. I mean, just the coefficients. And the coefficients are going to come from Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle, remember, is going to have 1s down the edges. And then the insides come from adding the 2 above it. So 1 and 1 is going to be 2. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. So a 3 is going to go here, and a 3 is going to go here. Now, just to make sure you get the pattern, I'm going to do one more row. 1 plus 3, this is 4. 3 plus 3, this is 6. So this is going to go 4, 6, and then 4. Now, this is degree 3, once again. So I'm going to look on the third row. Remember, this is a 0th row. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3, 3, 1 is going to be the coefficients of my terms. So this is going to be 1, 3, 3, 1. Now I'm going to simplify everything. Remember, exponents come first before I multiply. So I get 1 multiplied by 2x to the third. Now this whole thing owns this third. So this is going to be 8x cubed, not just 2x cubed. This to the 0 is just going to go away, so that's my first term right there. Plus 3 multiplied by 2x squared, which is going to be 4x squared, multiplied by 1 to the negative 3y, so that's negative 3y. I'm just going to leave it like that for right now. Plus 3 multiplied by 2x to the 1, which is just 2x. And then negative 3y squared is going to be positive 9y squared, because a negative squared is positive. Plus 1 multiplied by 2x. I don't need the 1. 2x to the 0 is just 1. And then negative 3y to the third is going to be negative. So I probably shouldn't have written that addition sign right there. So that's going to be minus 3 cubed, which is 27y cubed. So I get 8x cubed. Then on this next term, I'm going to deal with my constants first. So I end up getting 3 multiplied by negative 3, which is negative 9, multiplied by 4, which is negative 36. Then I just write my variables, because I can't combine them, so x squared and y. So this is x squared y. And then we're going to add, once again, deal with constants first. So 3 times 2 is 6, times 9 is 54. So I get 54 xy squared minus 27y cubed. There it is expanded.